Hello people, welcome back to the episode of Relating Me and You and Me through YouTube, and here I am with another video. This is actually going to be recreation of this makeup look right here, which is from a Korean content creator. I will link her here, and I love the kind of look she does and simply love how pretty and how beautiful she is. So yeah, we are going to recreate this look, but as you can see, there is an Indian twist to it. We have recreated it in such a way that it's Navratri appropriate. So that's what this video is going to be about. If not as same as she looks, I am actually looking similar to what she is looking, but with an Indian twist. So yeah, we are going to recreate this Korean makeup look. And without much blabbering, let's just directly get into the video. Let's begin. So to begin with, as you know, for any makeup look, moisturization and skincare is very important. Now I have done my serum and everything, and I'm going to use this Lakme Lumi cream. Now I'm using this one to add that glow to my skin. Into the primer, I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me primer. This is nice for people like me who have huge pores. This actually kind of blurs it out and also makes my makeup very long lasting. I am layering my Maybelline Fit Me primer with this Smashbox Minimize Pore Primer just over my nose region, because this is where I get very oily. So I have to be extra careful and prep my skin really well in this region, especially where I get oily. While I'm letting my skincare and primer set on place, I'm going to do my brows, and till then it will give a few minutes to my skincare to really penetrate into my skin, and then it will be ready for the base makeup. And now when my eyebrows are out of the way and my primer is all set in and I can start with my base makeup, I am going to actually start with the perimeters of my face. So I'm going to contour first with my LA Pro Girl concealer. And I am going to start with my perimeters first, so that this doesn't look too harsh. And hence same thing I'm going to do. Even in Indians, we don't usually see a lot of people doing a lot of contour and all, because I don't know, for some reason people just don't prefer it. And don't worry if it is looking very stark right now, because as I told you, I'm going to go over with concealer and blush and everything, so this is going to tone down. And if it's looking little scary at this point, don't be scared, because trust the process. So for my base, I'm going to use these two concealers. This is going to highlight my under eyes and the center of my face, and this is my skin tone, which is going to blend everything in one. Now I have actually stopped using kind of foundations because I don't feel the need of it. I rather do my base with concealer, and I feel that just looks much better. Picture that we are trying to recreate. She has a good highlighted face. And when all that concealer is on place, everything is where it should be, I'm going to spread my setting spray over it and then blend it with my beauty blender. And now you see everything is blended into one, and there are no harsh lines on my face. That is exactly how you want it. Now we are going to go with blush, and for that I am using this Love Earth one. This is such a beautiful blush. The shade is very pretty, and we have to go a little heavy handed, because again I'm putting the reference picture here. You have to go a little heavy handed with the blush. I am also going to go very close to my eyes, because that is how her blush is placed. It's little above than our usual region, and a little extra. Perfect peach for my skin tone, and it's very nicely pigmented and blends like a dream. Very easy to blend. And now to set everything on place, I'm going to use this Verified IRL filter powder, and this is such a pretty powder that I have hit pan on it. I am using this on everyday basis. I am using this to set my SPF when I'm not doing makeup, or set my makeup when I'm doing it, because this just gives you that real life filter. This is like a must have in your life. Coming to another step, which is going to be highlighter. Now if you follow my channel, you definitely know I don't use too much of highlighters, but here we are going to do, because we are following a look which needs to be done. So I'm using this K Beauty in the shade Rosy Dew, and I'm just applying it on my nose and my head region. That is where she has applied. So here, for the eye makeup, I am using this Juvia's Place Masquerade Mini Palette. Now she's done this brown smoky eye, That's what I'm going to try to recreate. She's done this cut crease, but I'll try to keep it more smoky according to the Navratri. Guys, this is what the makeup looks like. This is the closest we could get to that picture. Now obviously I have different features and my face is very round, so it's going to look a little different, but whatever closest we could get, this is what it is. And now comes the time for your Indian twist, and for that, since it's Navaratri, I am going to put that black bindi and those black dots that people usually put. And guys, this is how everything is looking. What do you think? Was I successful in creating it? Please let me know in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to know about it. And if there's anything else that you want me to make videos on, drop that too in the comment section below. I'll be more than happy to do it. Until next time, take care. Ta-da.
Yeah.